Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? And light bulb on, light bulb off. Why is it not working? Let's unscrew it and see. Dun, dun, dun. This. And you look there at the bottom of the light bulb socket and it is fried. That is from putting in too hot of bulbs. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. This is an easy one. So first you want to unplug the machine. Dun, dun, dun. Now it is battery backup, but the battery is disconnected because I was hearing another call saying pop this off, and you pop these two wires off. And let's bring this outside to show you how bad it is. That's cooked pretty good. Not the worst one I've seen, but this one's pretty bad. You probably could scuff this with a screwdriver and bend it up, but we're going to just replace it. So that's what this video is, showing you how to fix that. So it's the new one. Here we go. Nice shiny new one. Dun, dun, dun. Need some needle nose. And see if I can do this. Taking it off is easier. Put this one here. This one there. So you got the two on there. Stick this little tab thing here. Goes towards the front. Got to peel this back a little bit. It's gonna go right there. This goes back here. Plug it back in. Light bulb on. Wire strippers away. Ta-da. Okay. So if your light bulb's not on and your garage door opener, Garage Door Mike, we can assist you. We could sell you the light sockets. We can come out and install them for you. This is something we carry on all our trucks because it is that popular of a problem. People always put in a hotter bulb. Now these older lens covers, we recommend anything under 100. I like a soft 60. I know there's a bazillion of those stinking LED lights out. I don't like them. They interfere with lots of the radio controls nowadays, so I don't like those so much. But that's how you repair and fix the light bulb that doesn't work on the opener. A lot of those curly Q bulbs too. Let's see if I got a light bulb back here in a truck. Oh, I do. A lot of those curly Q LED bulbs, this thing here is not quite long enough and it bottoms out before it makes the contact. And a lot of those LED bulbs don't even work. So a lot of times when people say the light bulbs don't work, they're not even screwed in all the way. We come out and we put in a newer bulb and it works like right away. But if the light socket's fried, and you can tell by looking at it with the, just by unscrewing the light bulb and looking down there and it's fried, have us come out. Innovative Door, 632-719-343, www.innovativedoor.com. Schedule us up to come out, and we'll come out and fix your light sockets. If you don't want to get up there, if you're elderly, you don't want to get up on a ladder, you're not mechanically inclined, you don't feel like fussing with it, we'll do it for you. We won't get you a full service charge, but we got to charge you for gas and a little bit of time and the part. Or if you want the part, call us up. We got them in stock. We can ship them out to you wherever you're at. And that's it. Let's put this over here. 630-271-9343, innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Check out our Google page. And this is just an older, one of the first DC motors that we put up with the battery backup, with the purple button frequency, with the old school wall station with the first wave of the motion sensors. Pretty cool. That's it, Innovative Door, 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our light bulb don't work on a garage door opener video. And we do these for all models too, linear, LiftMaster, Genie, whatever you want. Sears. There's tons of openers. We got them all. 630-271-9343. Thank you for watching our light bulb on the opener don't work video. Thanks for watching. Garage Door Mike, thank you for all your subs, subscriptions, and views. We love you guys. And thank you. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.